Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to learn about daily use why question in English with Nepali meaning. So let's get started. Why were you late? तपाईं किन ढिलो हुनुहुन्थ्यो? I was late because of traffic jam. म ट्राफिक जामको कारणले ढिला थिएँ. If you haven't subscribed at this channel, please subscribe right now for more new videos. तपाईले अहिलेसम्म च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु होला. Why is she sitting here? उनी यहाँ किन बसिरहेकी छिन्? She is waiting for her father. She is waiting for her father. उनी आफ्नो बुवालाई कुरिरहेकी छिन्. Why didn't you come to my office? Why didn't you come to my office? तपाईं किन मेरो अफिसमा आउनु भएन? Because I had to go to meeting. Because I had to go to meeting. किनकि मलाई बैठकमा जानु पर्ने थियो. Why are you running? Why are you running? तपाईं किन दौडिरहनु भएको छ? I have to catch the first bus. I have to catch the first bus. मलाई पहिलो बस भेटाउनु छ. मलाई पहिलो बस भेटाउनु छ. Why had you called me? Why had you called me? हजुरले मलाई किन बोलाउनु भएको थियो? I had called to you to talk about your study. मैले तिमीलाई तिम्रो पढाइको बारेमा कुरा गर्न बोलाएको थिएँ. Why didn't you speak to Gopal? Why didn't you speak to Gopal? तपाईं किन गोपालसँग बोल्नु भएन? Because I didn't have time. Because I didn't have time. किनकि मसँग समय थिएन. If you haven't yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe right now for more new videos. तपाईले अहिलेसम्म च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु भएको छैन भनेदेखि अहिले नै यस च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न यसै प्रकारको अंग्रेजी भिडियोहरु हेर्न र सिक्नको लागि. फेरि अर्को भिडियोमा भेट गरौँला. तबसम्म आफ्नो केयर गर्नुहोस्, सिक्दै रहनुहोस्. See you again. Bye and take care.